Today's video is a what sold on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace edition. These garage sale and thrift store finds were purchased at a low cost and flipped for a higher profit online. In one weekend, I sold 35 items, resulting in over $1,000 gross sales, leaving a net profit of $830. If you'd like to see what I sold, stick around and let's get started. My name is Sandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. As mentioned, I sold 35 items for a profit in 2 days on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace. I will cover the 35 items by platform in ascending order from lowest to highest, so stick around until the end of the video to see what sold for the most money on eBay. Have you ever purchased something at Goodwill and then once you got home you realized, oh, maybe I should not have bought that? This first item that I sold on Facebook Marketplace was one of those kind of purchases. I purchased 2 twirling batons at Goodwill for $2 each because my sister and I, back in the day, twirled batons. They sold within 5 days on Facebook for $25. My profit, $21. I sold 2 puzzles on Facebook. The first one is this Thomas Kincaid 3-in-1 set. I paid $3 for it in October. It sold for $27. My profit on one puzzle, $24. I sold another puzzle on Facebook, also Thomas Kincaid. I paid $1 at a garage sale over the summer. It sold for $29, leaving my profit $28. Now we'll move on to Mercari. I had 2 sales on Mercari. The first one was this Harley Davidson long-sleeved woman's shirt. I paid $3.50 for it at Goodwill. It sold for $26, leaving my profit after fees and cost of goods $18.85. The next sale on Mercari was for this new with tag polo Ralph Lauren shirt. I picked it up at TJ Maxx on clearance for $15. I accepted a best offer of $55. My profit, $32.60. I had 17 sales on Poshmark. I'll start with the lowest price sale first. Be sure to stick around for the higher price sales later on. The first item to sell on Poshmark was this No Boundaries sweatshirt. I paid $1 for it. I've had this in my closet for a very long time, over 2 years. The buyer paid full price at $14, leaving my profit $10.05. Next up, these Levi Strauss size 27 skinny jeans. I paid $4.25 at Goodwill. They sold for $14. After fees and cost of goods, my profit was $6.80. This Harley Davidson t-shirt I purchased at Goodwill for $3.50. It sold within 10 days for $15. It had a slight hole in the back of the collar, which I did not see when I purchased it at Goodwill, so I was okay letting it go for $15. My profit, $8.50. Next up, a pair of little boys' snow pants, new with tags. I purchased a lot of these at Walmart on clearance a couple years back. I paid $5 for this pair, sold them for $19. My profit, $10.20. This Air Jordan sweatshirt I recently purchased at Goodwill for $3.50. It sold within 5 days after accepting a best offer of $20. My profit, $12.50. This Bowden silk blouse I purchased at Goodwill for $3.50. It sold for $21. My profit, $11.18. I purchased this John Deere cap at Goodwill for $1. It sold within 3 days for $24. My profit, $18.20. This pair of silver jeans, Pioneer style, I paid $4.25 for. I accepted a best offer of $29. My profit, $24.75. I purchased these new with tag 90s boyfriend jeans for $4.25. I accepted a best offer of $30 within 3 days of listing. My profit after fees and cost of goods, $19.75. This was a quick flip. I purchased these Bogs rain all-weather boots for little girls at Goodwill for $8. I accepted a best offer of $30. My profit after fees and cost of goods, $16. I purchased this little boy's snowsuit at Goodwill for $5. It also sold within 3 days for $35. My profit, $23. Here's another pair of silver jeans, Pioneer style. I paid $4.25. I accepted a best offer of $35. My profit, $23.75. These slippers I picked up at Goodwill in early December for $4. Looking at comps, they sold for about $70 on Amazon, but they were big and bulky, new in the box, which was also very bulky and hard to store. So I accepted a best offer of $35. My profit, $24. Next up, I purchased these Talbots women's pants for $1 at a garage sale. I had them going on 1 year. They finally sold for $35, leaving my profit $27 after fees and cost of goods sold. I sold this pair of silver girlfriend raw hem jeans. I paid $4.25 at Goodwill. They sold within 3 days for $36, leaving my profit $24.55. This Harley Davidson 2XL pearl snap shirt, I paid $3.50 for at Goodwill. It sold for $47. My profit, $34.10. And the last sale on Poshmark, these new with tag American Eagle denim jeans. I had them listed for 3 months. I paid $4 at Goodwill. I did receive several lowball offers. They sold for $50, leaving my profit $36 after fees and cost of goods sold. I'm curious, do you sell American Eagle jeans? If so, let me know in the comments below. Now on to eBay. I had 13 items sell on eBay. The first one and the lowest was this American Eagle plaid shirt for $9.12 plus 7 shipping. My profit after fees, cost of goods sold, and the actual ship charge, $5.12. Stick around till the end of the video to see what I sold for the most money on eBay. Next up, this newly tagged Christopher and Banks women's blouse. I paid $2 for it at a garage sale. It sold for $9.12. I had it for almost over a year, so I was okay letting it go at that price. My profit, $7.48. This pajama set I picked up over the summer for $7 at Goodwill. It sold for $33 shipped. My profit, $14.19. This Prana sweater sold within 5 days. I paid $3.50 at Goodwill. It sold for $24 plus $9 shipping. My net profit, $21.03. This Nike long sleeve shirt, I actually sold it once before and had it returned. I do allow returns when the buyer pays the return shipping. I relisted it. I paid $3.50 for it about 6 months ago. It sold for $24.30 plus $6 shipping, so close to $30. My profit on the shirt, $19.34. These Echo leather shoes, I paid $2 at the garage sale over the summer. I accepted a best offer of $25 plus 14 shipping. My profit, $22.24. I purchased these 2 koi scrub shirts at a garage sale over the summer for $2 each. I accepted a best offer of $29 plus 7 shipping. My profit, $24.11. These Talbot's women's pants I've had for over a year. I paid $2 for. They sold for $29.92 with an offer to Watcher plus $12 shipping. My profit, $29.35. This Pendleton shirt I had listed for a couple months. I paid $3.50 at Goodwill. I sent an offer to Liker for $29.92 plus 6 shipping. I know it was an offer to Liker because when I send offers to Likers, I end them in 0.92. So it's always $29.92, $37.92. It's just for my own personal reference. So the net profit on this one after fees and cost of goods, $23.29. This Kate Spade dress, a little black dress I've had for about 5 months. I paid $4 at Goodwill. Again, I sold it with an offer to Liker for $37.92 plus 12 shipping. My profit after fees and cost of goods sold, and then the actual ship charge, $31.91. This Snoopy Canadian hockey jersey I paid $3.50 for at Goodwill. It sold within 3 days to a Canadian buyer. I listed it for $125, but I accepted a best offer of $88 plus 25 shipping. My net profit, $78.81. And the last 2 were sold together, 2 pairs of jeans to a new eBay buyer. These silver Francis jeans I paid $4 for. She also purchased these silver twisted jeans. I paid $4.25 for. Together, for both pair, she paid $111.70 plus $22 shipping. My profit on the 2 pair of silver jeans was about $100 when it was all said and done, after fees and cost of goods sold, and then priority shipping for about $8. How's everyone doing? Do you like this type of content? If so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me I should make more what sold on eBay videos. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and check it out. I'm piece.of.scrap on Instagram. At least 3 of the items in today's video were featured in my Instagram story in a game I like to play called Buy or Pass. The Air Jordan sweatshirt and the Bogs girls boots both sold on Poshmark. The majority of my Instagram followers suggested that I buy the item while I was thrifting. The Snoopy jersey sold on eBay, and 60% of my Instagram followers suggested that I buy that item while at the thrift shop. And now for the numbers. In 2 days, I sold 35 items, 13 on eBay, 17 on Poshmark, 2 on Mercari, and 3 on Facebook. I also had Amazon sales, but there are just some things I like to keep private to protect my business. If you're interested in what I've sold previously on Amazon, subscribe to my channel and view the top 100 bolo items to sell playlist, which highlights several of my Amazon sales. In 2 days, I made over $1,200 in gross sales on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace. My cost of goods sold, fees including actual shipping charge, or nearly $400, resulting in a net profit of $830 before taxes. This what sold video included many items that I purchased at a low cost at thrift stores and garage sales, flipping them for a higher profit online. You too could make money working from home selling items you already own or purchasing similar items at Goodwill. Subscribe to my channel for more what sold on eBay videos. Continue watching as I have linked my top 100 eBay bolo list below. I will see you in the next video.